organisms and population. This is very simple topic and very easy to understand. Ecology is always easy as it is related to environment, organisms, right? So it will be very easy. In this video, we are going to study about the introduction as well as the organisms and its environment. Okay guys, first of all, let us understand what is ecology, right? Because ecology, when we understand, then we can easily understand this chapter very easily. Okay, first of all, let us understand what is ecology. Ecology is basically the branch of biology where the interaction takes place between the organisms and environment. Basically, here how organisms are linked with each other we study here, right? We study about organisms, then plants, environment, animals, biomes, etc. We study here because it mainly deals with the connections, interactions, or you can say link, right? This is what happens in the ecology. Okay, this is very simple definition. Let's move on. Let's study about organisms and its environment. Okay. Ecology deals with interactions among different organisms and their environment. If they ask what is ecology, then simply say ecology is the branch of biology where the interaction among the different organisms takes place as well as the interaction of the organisms with the environment also takes place. Organisms get adapted to their environment for their survival and reproduction. So it is a very important question as well as very necessary, right? Why? As you all know, everyone thinks of this question because why people get adjusted to the environment, why organisms get adjusted or adapted to the environment. The main reason for adjustment is one is survival, as the survival is very necessary, and for reproduction means production of further progeny as well as for survival. The survival organisms survive, organism adjust to this environment. Okay, organisms get adapted to environment because of for survival as well as for the reproduction, for the production of further generations. Okay, this is the important reasons for organism getting adjusted or getting adapted. Okay. The rotation of the earth about its axis brings about changes in the environment leading to different seasons. This leads to the formation of various biomes such as desert, grassland, etc. Okay, consider this is the sun. Okay, this is the sun and this is the planet P, right? This rotates around the sun from every side, right? It rotates around the sun. Its work is to planet rotates around the sun, right? Rotation of the earth about its axis takes place, right? Planet earth, what happens? Planet earth get tilted towards the sun. It gets tilted towards the sun. Then what happens? Due to the tilting towards the sun, it leads to the variations in the temperature. Increase in temperature might takes place or decrease in the temperature might takes place. Variation takes place, right? Due to the tilting towards the sun, variation of temperature takes place. Due to the increase or decrease in the temperature, it mainly leads to the biomes is basically a large naturally occurring such as flora and fauna, desert area, grassland area, basically different seasons, summer season, winter season, rainy season leads to the biomes. Okay, this is very simple. Basically, rotation of the earth about its axis or towards the sun, tilting towards the sun takes place. This leads to the change in temperature. Change in temperature leads to the different season. This different season leads to the biomes such as desert, flora, fauna, grassland, etc. Very simple, right? Okay, next one. Life not only exists in a favorable habitats but also harsh and extreme condition. As we all know, life not only exists in the favorable habitats, it also exists in the very extremely rare harsh conditions, right? So what, first of all, let us understand what is favorable habitat and what is harsh and extreme conditions. So favorable habitat such as having a good quality of water and having a good temperature for your body and having good air, sun, etc. is the favorable things that happen. So they are basically saying life not only occurs in the favorable habits but also in the harsh and extreme conditions. What is harsh and extreme conditions? Means it is a difficult situation where you cannot handle the environment, such as tsunami. Due to this, it leads to the different seasons. Okay, these different seasons mainly lead to the formation of biomes. What are biomes? Biomes such as grassland, desert, and many things, etc. Desert, grassland, etc. are the biomes where the, such as tsunami. Tsunami is a very harsh condition. Can you control it? No. So life exists in both the conditions, right? We have to adjust with it. We have to adapt to it. This is what they are explaining. Then, the environment of an organism can be divided into abiotic factors and biotic factors. So basically, the environment of an organism is divided into abiotic. Abiotic means non-living, okay? Non-living, right? And biotic is living. Example for abiotic factors are temperature, water, soil, and sunlight, etc. And for example for biotic means living. Example, birds, human beings, mammals are all the biotic factors. Okay, this is very simple topic and very easy topic about organisms and its environment. I hope you all have been understood this topic very clearly, and thanks for watching.